Welcome to another Moonoveraquarius experience. Welcome to the port of Durban. Durban is the busiest port in South Africa and generates more than 60% of revenue. It is the second largest container port in Africa. It is the fourth largest container port in Southern Hemisphere. The distance around the port is 21 kilometers, 13 miles. Rail tracks total 302 kilometers, 188 miles. The port has 58 berths, which are operated by more than 20 terminal operators. Over 4,500 commercial vessels call at the port each year. Alright, now we're going to take you over to the terminal, KwaZulu Cruise Terminal, and there we're going to see the Crown Princess. Stunning boat. We're going to take a flyover. We're going to start off at the Ushaka, flying all the way over to the boat, circle around it, look over the top of it, and then we will be heading back to the Ushaka area. Alright then guys, we're going to then take you over to Durban South Beach. The ocean, show you how the ocean, how nice and smooth and beautiful it is, just no diving. And look over the different hotels as we're going along. And then we're going to overlook the Promenade, which is great to walk, nice to cycle, and joggers. I love this. Early morning joggers, cyclists, pram pushing, dog walking, lots to enjoy there. Alright, once again, thanks for joining the Moonoveraquarius experience. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Enjoy. Cheers.